Welcome back to Autocar World, where we bring you the latest in the world of automobiles. If you're a fan of adventure, road trips, and all things automotive, you're in for a treat today. We're talking about the all-new Toyota Camper 2025 Motorhome, a game-changer in the world of travel and camping. This isn't just any camper, this is the future of motorhomes, packed with luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive into all the exciting features that make this vehicle a must-have for any road trip enthusiast. First off, let's talk design. Toyota has truly outdone itself with the 2025 Camper. It's sleek, modern, and incredibly aerodynamic. The body is crafted with a mix of high-strength steel and lightweight materials, which helps with fuel efficiency and gives it a solid yet nimble feel on the road. With its bold front grille and striking LED headlights, it's not just a camper, it's a statement. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising down the open highway, this motorhome demands attention. Now, let's move on to the interior, and trust me, you are going to love what Toyota has packed inside. The cabin is nothing short of spectacular. First, the space. The Toyota Camper 2025 features an open-plan design that maximizes every inch of space. It's designed for comfort, with cozy seating arrangements that can transform into sleeping quarters at the touch of a button. The high-tech fold-out bed system is a game-changer. Gone are the days of uncomfortable, hard-to-set-up beds. Just push a button, and your bed is ready for a good night's sleep under the stars. The kitchen area is fully equipped with everything you need to prepare a gourmet meal on the go. It comes with a compact yet efficient stove, a sink, a fridge, and ample storage space for all your cooking essentials. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a delicious dinner, the Toyota Camper 2025 has got you covered. But it's not just about practicality, it's also about luxury. The motorhome features a top-of-the-line entertainment system, complete with a large flat-screen TV, surround sound, and even a built-in projector for movie nights under the stars. The ambient lighting inside creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for winding down after a long day of exploration. Plus, there's a dedicated workspace if you need to get some work done while on the road. You'll never feel like you are sacrificing comfort for adventure. When it comes to driving, the Toyota Camper 2025 is a breeze. Toyota has equipped this motorhome with an advanced hybrid powertrain, combining performance and eco-friendliness. The powertrain is designed to give you plenty of horsepower while also offering impressive fuel efficiency. You can take on long road trips without constantly worrying about fuel stops, which makes it perfect for those cross-country adventures. The handling is smooth, and the all-wheel drive system ensures that you can tackle any terrain, whether you're cruising on highways or navigating rougher, off-road paths. Toyota has also incorporated some cutting-edge technology into the 2025 Camper that you'll love. The vehicle comes with a full suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work seamlessly to keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. Plus, with the Toyota Safety Sense system, you have peace of mind knowing that this camper is equipped with the latest in automotive safety tech. For those who love the great outdoors, the Toyota Camper 2025 is equipped with an extendable awning, outdoor speakers, and a fully functional outdoor kitchen, complete with a grill and storage for outdoor gear. Whether you're enjoying a sunset or grilling your favorite meal, this motorhome offers all the amenities to make your outdoor experience comfortable and fun. Let's talk about customization, because everyone has their own vision of the perfect road trip. Toyota offers a range of optional add-ons and packages to personalize your Camper 2025. From roof racks to extra storage compartments, there's a customization option for every kind of adventurer. You can even choose from a variety of exterior colors to match your style. So, why should you consider the Toyota Camper 2025 for your next adventure? Simply, it's the perfect blend of performance, luxury, and technology. It gives you everything you need to make every road trip a memorable one. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or flying solo, the Toyota Camper ensures that you have the ultimate home on wheels. If you're ready to take your road trips to the next level, the all-new Toyota Camper 2025 is the perfect choice. And as always, we'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this amazing new motorhome? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Autocar Hub for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.